So, I've been watching a lot of crypto content lately, and most of it honestly splits into two camps. Either it's super technical and hard to follow, or it's just straight up advertising for some questionable project. That's kind of where things are at, and the market right now is rough. A lot of tokens are down bad, but some assets are actually going against that trend. And Hyperliquid, the HYP token, has been on my radar for a bit now, the staking side of it especially. I've tested platforms like this for a few years, and got solid process for figuring out what's legit and what's not, and today I want to show exactly how hype staking works on one specific platform I've been testing for a while. Okay, so this is the main page of the platform, and before I get into the theory side of things, I want to walk through the technical part first, step by step, because honestly, the quality of how something is built, it always tells a lot about how seriously the dev team approached it. Alright, so first thing, I need to log in, hitting start here, and the platform gives a few different auth options, and I just go with the one that works best for me. Okay, in. So at the top of the dashboard, there's my current status. It's based on the total amount of hype I have across my wallet, plus the staking rewards accumulated. And just below that, current APY, daily yield, all right there. There's also a full portfolio breakdown, all the stats from the entire time I've been staking on here, but I'll get to that part a little later. So jumping into the rewards tab, this is where all the accrual history lives. You can see exactly how many tokens came in over the last few days, day by day. Okay, so to actually open a staking position, I go into this panel here, put in the amount I want to stake, and press stake. Transaction confirms pretty fast, and there it is, position updated. From this point, the protocol just handles everything on its own. Rewards start accumulating automatically based on the APY. So now, I've been running this account for a while, so there's already a decent stack of rewards built up. And I want to walk through the withdrawal side as well, since that's usually where people have questions. So I switch over to unstake, entering the amount, and just below that, the platform shows a rate breakdown in the full transaction details, which is a nice touch. Then I press unstake. Done. My position updated, and now I just give it a few minutes for the protocol to finalize the transaction before the tokens reflect on my wallet. And while that transaction finalizes, let me get into the actual mechanics of how this works. So, Hyperliquid is a layer 1 blockchain built from the ground up specifically for high-performance trading and DeFi infrastructure. And that's actually an important distinction. Most staking protocols run on top of existing chains like Ethereum or Solana, which means they inherit whatever limitations those chains have. Hyperliquid runs its own consensus mechanism called HyperBFT, which gives it sub-second transaction finality. Practically speaking, that means faster reward distribution, lower operational overhead, and the whole system just runs cleaner. And now, staking hype specifically means delegating tokens to validators. These are the nodes that keep the network running. In return, stakers get a cut of the protocol fees generated by the platform, and Hyperliquid does serious volume, so the fee pool is genuinely substantial. The other thing worth noting, it's fully non-custodial. Tokens never actually leave the wallet during the staking process, which from a risk management standpoint is exactly what a well-architected protocol should look like. So overall, after running this for a while, the thing that actually stands out to me isn't the APY number, it's how consistently the protocol performs. Rewards accrue on schedule, the interface doesn't get in the way, withdrawals process cleanly. And for a DeFi product, that kind of reliability is honestly harder to find than people think. I've gone through a lot of platforms over the years, some technically impressive, some just well marketed, and most of them have friction somewhere. This one, not so much. It's not perfect, nothing is, but from a pure infrastructure standpoint, Hyperliquid staking holds up under scrutiny, and that's really the baseline I look for before putting any significant position into something.